Welcome to another edition of English Makes No Sense. It is I, S.L. Rockfish, your happy hostess right here on the English Makes No Sense YouTube channel. Today, English might make sense because we're going to practice English and Spanish together to show you how you can practice another language with kids' books. Yeah. If this isn't your gig, you're like, I don't want to do that. I have lots of other videos down below. But if you like what you see, please hit subscribe. Normally we do a little reading lessons, we do English language lessons, pronunciation lessons, and we have fun with the English language because it's fun. If you like what you see, like I said, hit subscribe. Whoop, I always forget. Hit subscribe. But if you want shorter version, I'm on Instagram and TikTok at English Makes No Sense and on Facebook at English Makes No Sense. Boom. And on Instagram and TikTok, it's all mashed together. Got it? Let's begin. We're going to practice reading Spanish and English because the majority of us are learning both languages. And if you're learning some other languages, or I got a friend, Roma from Russia. He's practicing his English. He knows English. It's just practicing fluency. So here we go. I'm going to show you how I like to practice my Spanish. And I like to do it with Welcome to Spanish with Sesame Street. I'm too old for Sesame Street. You're never too old for Sesame Street. Come on. And of course, I went to the biblioteca, the library. Welcome to Spanish with Sesame Street. Welcome. Welcome. Bienvenido. Say bienvenido. Now, they're going to give us some directions. How to speak Spanish. Practice speaking Spanish. Each word is broken up into sounds called syllables. Do you see this syllable in capital letters? That's the sound you emphasize the most. Hello. Hola. See the big O? Hola. This is Abelardo. He lives in Mexico. I hope I'm pronouncing his name right. Abelardo. English and Spanish. What is your name? ¿Cómo te llamas? My name is, me llamo, aquí, me llamo Abby, me llamo S.L. Rockfish. ¿Cómo te llamas? Friendship, great word, friendship, amistad. Will you be my friend? ¿Quieres ser mi amigo? You're my best friend. Eres mi mejor amigo. Look at Bert and Ernie. Meet my family. I did a lesson on English meeting the family. Check it down below. Meet my family. Conoce a mi familia. Dad, papa, mom, mama. Just like in English almost. Brother, hermano, sister, hermana. Grandma, abuela. Grandpa, abuelo. I like how in Spanish they have the A and the O for different genders. Masculine and feminine. It's hard to remember though for me. Thank you. Gracias. You're welcome. De nada. I like to use these words a lot. Please. Por favor. Whoop. I'm sorry. Lo siento. Can you use con permiso in that part too? If you're watching, let me know. I like to say con permiso. Is that just when I'm interrupting? Don't know say. Breakfast. Desayuno. Desayuno. I love desayuno. A mí me gusta desayuno. I like lunch. No, I like breakfast. Ooh, I made a mistake. See? We practice. Lunch. Almuerzo. Almuerzo. Snack. Refrigero. 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 Refrigerio. Refrigerio? Refrigerio? I might have to practice that. Refrigerio. Dinner. Cena. Cena. I'm thirsty. Tengo sed. I use that a lot. I'm hungry. Tengo hambre, Cookie Monster. Cookie Monster tiene hambre. Cookie Monster hungry. Cookie Monster tiene hambre. Hambre. See, I get that confused with hombre, but hambre. Practice. I'm doing it. How are you? ¿Cómo estás? I'm fine, thank you. Estoy bien, gracias. Me too, yo también. I like you. Me agradas. Me agradas. Me agradas. Elmo loves you. Elmo te quiere. Happy. Contento. He's never contento, but happy. Contento. Grumpy. Malhumorado. 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 Proud. Orgulloso. Orgulloso. Oh, that's a hard word to say. See? English is the only one that's hard. Orgulloso. Excited. Emocionado. See? Emocionado. Ah! Dog. Perro. Animals. Animales. That one's easy for me. Fish. Pez. 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 Bird. Pájaro. 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 Cat. Gato. I like animals. Me gustan los animales. Oh, so we make this plural because there's more than one animal? I think. I like animals. Me gustaron los animales. Practice. I like practice. A mí me gusta practice. ¿Práctico? Yo no sé. Colors. Colores. My favorite color is. Mi color favorito es. Mi color favorito es rojo. Y otra vez es azul. Other times, blue. That's what I was trying to say. I hope it came off. Let's play. Juguemos. I like that. Juguemos. Toys. Juguetes. What do you like to do? ¿Qué te gusta hacer? ¿Qué te gusta hacer? We love to learn. Nos encanta aprender. Nos encanta aprender. Oh, me too. Me too. Ahora estoy aprendiendo. No, I don't know if that's right. Aprender. Estoy aprendiendo. I don't know. Help me out. Okay, we love to learn. Nos encanta aprender. See, practicing another language is a little difficult, but it's fun. Goodbye. Adios. See you soon. Hasta pronto. I love that one. Hasta pronto. I'm going to use that because I always say nos vemos, but hasta pronto. Adios. Hasta pronto. Count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Hey, hey. I love music. Rosita's favorite words. I love music. Me encanta la música. Singing, cantar. Guitar, guitarrea. Wait, guitarra, guitarra. Me encanta la música. Me encanta leer. I like to read. I hope that came out right. So that's it. That's how we practice another language. We read the words, we practice them over. The words, remember what I have to pronounce. The one about being grouchy, the grouchy one. And there's some other words in here that I had a little trouble with. So I'm going to go back and look at them. When you practice English, you could do the same thing. Okay? Amistad? Nope, that wasn't it. Hermano? Nope, that wasn't it. Where's that tough word? This one. Refrigerio. 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 A snack. I'm going to go get a refrigerio. Okay? So, practice another language English. Watch the videos. There's family in here. There's family on a video down below. And in a couple of days, or I might have already posted it, we're going to do some different ways to use the words get off. Okay? Thank you so much. So glad you could join me. Hope you're still here. If you like what you see, hit subscribe. Okay? Or check out the other videos. Whatever you want to do. Or leave me some feedback. Thanks, my friends. Peace.